In factories and commercial facilities across Pakistan, machines run without visibility. Electricity bills spiral out of control. Overloads go undetected. Reactive power drains your budget. And without protection, a single fault can shut down your entire operation. Introducing the Enfo Smart Breaker, intelligent circuit protection that transforms your machines into smart, monitored assets. Attach it to any machine or main circuit and unlock complete energy visibility in minutes. Every Enfo Smart Breaker delivers real-time data: kilowatts, kilowatt hours, power factor, active and reactive power, all streaming live to your dashboard. See exactly what each machine consumes in real time from anywhere. Enfo doesn't just monitor, it protects. When temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius, an alarm triggers instantly. At 70 degrees, the breaker trips automatically, preventing machine damage and fire hazards. Overloads are detected the moment they occur. The moment a problem is detected, Enfo alerts you instantly via email, push notification, and SMS. Your control room is notified of any overload or alarm, so your team can respond before damage occurs. With Enfo's post-paid plan, your usage is tracked and your MDI, maximum demand indicator, is continuously monitored. Bill reminders are sent automatically, and if payment isn't received, the control room initiates a smart remote cutoff, giving you full billing control without manual intervention. With the prepaid plan, buy electricity units in advance through JazzCash, EasyPaysa, or credit card. Consume your units, analyze daily and monthly consumption, track averages, and get low balance reminders before you run out. Full control, zero surprises. Monitor, protect, bill, optimize. The Enfo Smart Breaker, your intelligent energy solution. Visit enfo.ai to book your demo today.